MTD CNC have travelled to the home of XYZ in Tiverton, and I'm joined by Mike Harris from Bison. Now, Mike, why have we travelled to Devon this morning?
We've come all the way down here today to see XYZ Machine Tools, that are one of our biggest customers. We supply to them lathe chucks, independent chucks, tool posts, 5-seat collet chucks every month to go in their machines.
You have a special relationship, and this relationship's been going on for many years now. Can you tell me when it started?
Well, we started in the UK in 2012, but before then XYZ were buying from Bison, Poland. When we came along, they started buying through us, and so what we do is a call-off order each month, depending on what they want, we keep it in stock.
Now, the machines that you were referring to are the manual machines, the ProTrack lathes. In regards to the chuck, they're all come with a cam lock design, is that correct?
Yes, well, a lot of their spindle noses are cam lock, so we have the chucks that what we call direct mount. So there's no adapter plate needed. The adapter plate is integral on the chuck, so it goes just straight on.
So the assembly from XYZ is very quick, it's very fast. This is probably one of the nice selling points, isn't it?
It just goes straight on. It's quicker for them to put on the machine and check before it goes out.
So moving on to the tool posts and the tool holders and the jaws, which is an accessory to the chuck, these are other pieces of equipment that you've been supplying XYZ with. And when you say that they are one of your largest customers, they're selling a lot of machines, aren't they?
They are. We sold, I think last year, over 200 chucks to XYZ, and if you put in with that the tool posts and the tool holders, it's a huge deal we've got going here.
Barry, I've just spoken to Mike about the special relationship between Bison UK and XYZ. What can you tell me about it?
Well, we first had Bison come into our lathe systems in early 2013. The support that we had from day one was very good, and it's developed pretty much on point right up to today.
Now, the machines that Bison are supplying the work holding for are predominantly the ProTrack lathes. Can you tell me about the machine range?
ProTrack lathes is the predominant machines that we use the product on. We also use them on small manual machines on smaller size products, and that's both the lathe chucks and lathe tool holders and tool posts.
Now, what are the range of chucks that Bison offer?
The Bison offer us a good range of lathe size chucks. They are starting for 125 millimetres for a small C5, and they go up to currently 630 millimetres on our bigger machines.
And they also offer independent chucks, is that correct?
We have scroll chucks, independent chucks, all with cam lock mounting, which go direct onto the spindle nose of all the machines for easy assembly.
Now, cam lock mounting, now can you tell us about how the machines come in the spindle nose of the machine and how it accommodates for the cam lock and how easy it is to install?
Right, straightforwardly, the cam lock system on the chucks is accepted by the spindle nose that's actually on the lathe itself. It's depending on the size of the chuck, you've got a 3-position cam lock or you've got 6-position. The cam locks on the chucks themselves are actually integral, so they will fit straight from box, straight onto the machine with no pre-assembly required.
Have you ever had any requirements for specials from Bison?
We have customers that do have issues where they want some special independence. They may want a 6-jaw, and we've raised queries against these specials against Bison, and we've managed to procure them on every occasion.
So moving on now to the tool stations and the tool holders that Bison supply, how have you found these products from Bison?
Once again, the product itself is straight from box. They're preset when they get delivered, and it's as simple as from box straight onto machine with minimal amount of assembly on the machine itself. And the product itself is as good as we actually do need for the machines.
So we've discussed the products from an overview perspective, Barry, but how do you find the service from Bison?
Exceptional. We have a call-off order that's put in every 12 months. They will stock the majority of the size chucks and tool posts that we require, The call-off stock we have well in advance of building the machine, but if there are any issues where we need more than our call-off orders, Bison react very promptly and very swiftly to that request.
So it's safe to say that this is a relationship that is continuing to blossom, and it will do well into the future.
I see it's a relationship that will continue, and it can only get better.